Greeting Judge Stow. Before you have a very complicated case. You have a deaf girl with a deaf father and a hearing mother. The girl has bilateral cochlear implants. Recently, you ruled that the father must force his daughter to use her bilateral implants all her waking hours. That decision basically says the girl is forbidden to be deaf. I'm surprised that in a courtroom in the United States, someone can ban someone from being what they are. You have ordered someone to use artificial technology all their waking hours when it's not a medical necessity. You have removed someone's right to their own body, to their private property, their body. You have said you can come into their lives and their body and control what they are. That decision has serious impacts on a child, her relationship with her father and her mother, and her relationship to her own self. It has a severe impact on other children. When a deaf baby is born, does that mean automatically a judge can order that child to be implanted with bilateral implants, that she is forbidden from being deaf? It has a significant impact on adults who have cochlear implants. Does this mean that if an adult with cochlear implants wants some type of reasonable accommodations, an interpreter, be it oral or sign or cart transcription for a court situation or a job interview, that it could be forbidden? That someone could order them to rely solely on their cochlear implants? You must use your cochlear implants all your waking hours? Your decision related to this girl's body really violates the 14th Amendment. She has the right to life, liberty, and property, her own body. The father has a right to care for and cherish his daughter. The girl is with her father occasionally, not on a daily basis. It's important for the two of them to have a bond, to have time together, to be able to communicate freely in American Sign Language. If the girl chooses to use her cochlear, that's fine, but if she doesn't want to, she should be allowed to put them aside too. It should be up to her. It's not for a judge to mandate that she must wear these all her waking hours. Once the government starts to dictate what we can be and what we can't be, it's a very dangerous path. It's a very dangerous path. I hope you can see the wisdom in letting her be what she is. That she has this choice. And to leave this choice with the parent, meaning that they would both allow her to use her cochlear implants if she was comfortable with them and they were working. And if they didn't work, they would leave her be. They wouldn't have to feel coerced and compelled to make her wear them. She could be deaf, or she could use them as needed. It should not be mandated by a judge. I thank you for your attention on this matter. I know it's a very complicated case. I know that family law is hard. My heart goes out to the mom. I'm sure she's struggling with all of this. My heart is with the father too. I'm sure he's struggling. I believe both the father and the mother love their daughter. They love their daughter. I believe that the whole issue of cochlear implants should be removed from this case. They shouldn't even be part of this case. that it should be agreed that both parents will allow the child to use the cochlear implant as is fit, depending on if it's working right or if it's necessary, or depending on the situation, as they see fit. The case really should be about their situation with their daughter and visitation. The cochlear implant should not be part of it. No judge in this country should be allowed to order when a person can be deaf and when they cannot be deaf. That is wrong. I thank you for your time and for your attention. This letter, this video letter, I am sending to both parties as well as you, Judge Stow. So all three of you have it. I wish all three parties to have good, caring, open hearts to allow wisdom to enter in during the proceedings that are approaching you. My heart is with all of you. The cochlear implant issue must really be removed from this case.